I've had these faux locks installed for almost 1 full month. I'm 6 days shy of 4 full weeks. So can we get a round of applause for that alone? I mean, how long has it been since I've done a crochet braid tutorial? I'll wait. You can check my videos. It's been a while. And usually when I do crochet braid tutorials, it is a sign that my hair is in better health. It's been quite a ride these past few years. We definitely can talk more in depth about how stress wears on the hair. I've been in the process of restoring the health of my natural hair. I wanted to do it privately. This was something that was really important to me, and I'm the type of person who has to go through something and come out on the other end before I'm in a space to even talk about it. That's something I'm currently working through, but I know that there are many people who can identify with me. A large part of the reason why I wanted to do this video and just to have it be sort of raw and uncut is so that you guys can see how my hair is when I'm not styling it. It doesn't have to be aesthetically pleasing. It is my natural hair. It is beautiful in and of itself. And nurturing my hair has allowed me to fall back in love with it. It encourages me to take even more time with it. And this hot oil treatment, as simple as it may seem, it's been working for my hair. It's been improving the overall health of my scalp. When is the last time you've done a hot oil treatment, and what's stopping you if it's been a little bit of time? I understand things can get incredibly busy. When I'm stressed, the last thing that I focus on is my hair. And even beyond stressed, when I'm sad, the last thing I want to do is my hair. When I am overwhelmed and inundated with tasks from work, the last thing I want to do is my hair. It takes several hours Some people still try to debate me about whether or not I have 4C hair. I'll say I have 4C hair, but I'm at 4Z level, most definitely 4Z, 5G LTE, if we're being real. I started doing this hot oil treatment as a way to center myself, to center my self-care. When I organize my life and orient myself in such a way that I can care for myself, I feel so much better. I look so much better, and it shows. And I started doing this hot oil treatment as a way to get back to that. If I can just give myself 15 minutes 1 to 2 times a week, I know there are going to be ways that my body will say thank you. I'm caring for it. I'm pouring into myself and creating a routine that lends to the type of care that I want to maintain. Of course, it's going to take work implementing this change and staying consistent, but I owe it to myself to continue to make this a part of my routine. So if I fall off 1 week, it won't hurt. If I fall off for 2 weeks, it still won't hurt, but I need to get back to it. There's so much in our day-to-day lives that tells us we don't have to focus on ourselves. There's so many tasks day-to-day that take us away from centering ourselves, and it's just so important to refocus. And I invite you to refocus. Massaging my scalp has been a game changer. Just 5 to 10 minutes. I'm always amazed at how good this feels and how fast the time passes. I don't underestimate the importance of massaging the scalp to stimulate blood flow. It also just helps with easing tension. I actually had a headache coming on, but I'm finding that sometimes when I just take a few moments to myself to love on me, my body responds positively. In the coming months, I do intend to share more about what broke my hair off and the process that it took to grow it back. I do want to say that rosemary has been integral in improving the overall health of my hair. Rosemary is a bad bitch, okay? And she's working for me, and she could possibly work for you. At a time, I was a huge advocate for avocado oil, but I noticed that my scalp changed. It needed something different, and I have to be open and receptive to those changes and make the necessary adjustments. And I hope you all can find it in yourselves to make the adjustments. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, turn your post notifications on, meet me in the comments, and I hope I see you in the next one.